Similar to how the cryptocurrency market has reached a critical juncture, the Shiba Inu price is at a pivotal level right now. The video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. Is there any fresh information on Shiba Inu coins, and if so, how will it impact their value? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inus. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Additionally, before we continue, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. Simply becoming a subscriber, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu will get you entered. My best wishes, but before we go into that, how about we check over the Shiba price chart for December 30th? It should give us a good idea of where things stand, right? Approximately 2,086 units are being sold today as Shiba Inus. On a trading volume of $470 million, the price of SHIB has fallen 4% in the past 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 16th. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. We do not provide financial advice on this content. The video for today is ready to go. This is the lowest rate of burn seen in weeks in Shiba Inus. While the overall health of the network is being monitored, the Shiba Inu has maintained a minimal burn rate. As of this writing, the burn rate is negative, having decreased by 88.65% in the past 24 hours, according to statistics from Shibburn. At this rate, the burn rate has decreased to its lowest level in weeks, with less than 1 million SHIBs dispatched to dead wallets. Following her destruction, 606,465 SHIB were removed from circulation and sent to dead wallets in accordance with the Shibburn data. The burn only affected one wallet, and it occurred around 12 hours after this text was written. The current rate of burn has increased the total Shiba in fresh burn FUS to 410.7 trillion SHIB, with 584 trillion SHIB in circulation. The memecoin protocol has a long way to go before it can reduce the supply. Shiba Inu's recent decline to a new multi-week low is not necessarily a bad thing, as they burned 5,441,220 SHIB on Deck 29 while experiencing a growth rate of 972%. At this point, the token can restart in order to print a huge burn amount, which could affect its price. As the year comes to a close, the Shiba Inu deflationary metric serves as a significant milestone in monitoring the growth of the protocol. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. The channel is greatly supported and it doesn't cost anything. Watch this space, nevertheless, for all the newest Shiba Inu news and speculation on the coin's future. Key points on Fibonacci: we aim to sell 3,265 Shiba Inu puppies in the near future and 4,349 puppies in the far future. The canine-themed meme coin may be aiming for a bullish upswing to higher prices soon, according to recent Shiba Inu news. But after a broader market slump, it has to fight off the negative momentum in its ecosystem. To put things in perspective, Shiba Inu saw a slight correction compared to the previous 2 weeks, but it was still its third consecutive weekly downturn. Despite reaching an inter-week high of 2,408 units, the leading meme coin ended last week with a 1% decline, unable to maintain its earlier upward momentum. From a bullish framework, the Shiba Inu emerges. According to Rose Premium's most recent research, Shiba Inu has the potential to recover from its most recent decline and resume its upward trend. A possible break above a falling channel within the one-day time frame was mentioned in the comments. The market speculator included a chart that could indicate a potential break from the channel that began to form at the 3,343 unit local top in early December. Rose Premium announced 3 pricing goals for Shiba Inus: a short-term goal, an intermediate-term target, and a long-term target along with the breakout. At the same time, the expert anticipates that the Shiba Inu will encounter resistance at 3,236 units during the initial upswing. Additional gains into the 3,870 unit intermediate supply zone are likely in store if the resistance level is broken. The descending triangle breakout, according to Rose Premium, also points to a surge to 4,349 units as the long-term aim. But he said that if the market saw strong bullish momentum, the roughly 100% price increase would become a reality. Monitor support levels. If the Shiba Inu trend continues downward, Rose Premium has shown support levels to keep an eye on. He identified a possible demand zone at 2,230 units, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci level, and the Robust support level at 2,170 units with an extension of 0.786. The support level of 2,230 units has obviously not held, and the Shiba Inu price has continued to decrease. But at 2,170 units each day, the second largest meme coin according to MarketCap has found some relief. In addition, Shiba Inu may experience a reversal of fortunes if the demand zone maintains its protective effect against any declines. The meat of the lead developer of a new project focused on Shiba Inu, who is going to debut it. A prominent Shiba Inu developer, Kusama, formerly known as Shitoshi, has announced plans to launch a podcast in the year 2025. It will cover various parts of the whole meme currency ecosystem over the course of 4 episodes. Meme coins will be the subject of the podcast on Mondays, according to Kusama, while Treat will be the focus on Tuesdays. The coin has multiple uses, one of which is to incentivize users to take part in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. You can catch Tech Talk live on Thursdays. Kusama will focus on shootouts and following on Friday, then spirituality on Saturday. This week's episode won't be available on Wednesday or Sunday, and I can't wait to show you everything we've created, the developer said in closing. Community-oriented endeavor is the planned podcast. This year, 2 of the Shiba Inu's secretive developers, Kusama and Calderia, announced their intention to step down by the end of 2024 and give full authority to the SHIB army. According to the former, this decision is in line with their goal of achieving full decentralization in the Bitcoin industry. The meme coin's price is still below zero, even though news of the impending development has been announced. At the moment, it's trading at about 2,165 units, down 3% in the last 24 hours and 20% over the last 2 weeks. Since the most recent FOMC meeting, the entire cryptocurrency market has declined, which occurs at the same time as the underperformance. The present level is 93,500 after the U.S. Central Bank suggested that rate decreases could be temporarily halted in 2025 owing to growing inflationary fears. There is some evidence from the exchange net flow that suggests SHIB bulls might be in for more pain soon. On the majority of days last week, inflows exceeded outflows according to CryptoQuant. As a result, it appears that centralized platforms are replacing self-custody systems. It may be seen as a negative indicator since it heightens the selling pressure in the short term. Contrary to popular belief, SHIB isn't the sole project worth considering right now. A video I made not long ago speculated